How to delete reposted videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete reposted videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to tap on the share option and reposted a certain video and introduce it to others, one way you can unrepost it by tapping on that option again and selecting remove repost. This is one of the ways if you haven't missed the video. But if you've scrolled past many videos here, right, and if you've scrolled through all of them and then let's say now you missed that video, how do you delete that repost? Well, you can still do it by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right. Then right over here on the profile page, you'll find an infinity loop icon. This is where all of your reposts will remain. So here you'll see all the posts that you have reposted. Now after you locate that, now you can tap on the share option and tap on remove repost manually to remove the repost. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.